You are watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English speaking and listening class. Today we are going to practice slow English speaking and clear English listening. Daily routine practice. I wake up early in the morning, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a bath and wear clean clothes. Then I eat my breakfast. After breakfast, I go to school. At school, I learn many new things. I talk to my friends and teachers in English. After school, I come back home. I rest for some time and then I do my homework. In the evening, I play with my friends. At night, I eat dinner with my family. Before sleeping, I read a storybook. Then I say good night and go to sleep. Simple conversation. Hello, what is your name? My name is Sarah. What is your name? My name is Ali. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Nice to meet you too, Ali. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you, and you? I'm good too. What are you doing? I am learning English with you. That's great. Learning English is fun. Vocabulary building practice. Let's learn some simple and useful English words. Happy, feeling good or joyful. Sad, not happy, feeling down. Beautiful, something nice to look at. Big, large in size. Small, little in size. Fast, moving quickly. Slow, moving gently. Clean, without dirty. Hot, having high temperature. Cold, having low temperature. Now let's use these words in sentences. The sun is hot, ice is cold, my room is clean, the car is fast, the flower is beautiful. English practice sentences. I can speak English every day. I am learning English with confidence. I listen carefully and speak clearly. I practice English at home with my family. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn better. I'm improving every day. I can talk English with anyone. I love learning new words. English is easy and fun to learn. Motivation and confidence practice. I believe in myself. I can do it. I can speak English fluently. I will not give up. I am confident. I am improving step by step. Well done, everyone. You have practiced English speaking and listening very well today. Remember to become fluent. Practice every day. Speak slowly, listen carefully, repeat again and again. Every word you say makes you stronger in English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling. Thank you for watching this English speaking practice video. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.